Hi, it's Jan from Velomobile World, and today I make a bit of a different video. So lately, as you can see, I'm behind the computer and I just got another email from a client from us. Someone is trying to scam our clients. So they send emails that we want to purchase machines in China or in another country, and I like to discuss it with you in order you can be part of this investment, blah blah blah. It's a scam. It's not me. I don't ask you for money, only if you order the bike. So don't react on these emails. I'm really sorry this happens. I cannot change this, that somebody is trying to write out of our name. Sometimes even they manage to look like it's our email. It's not, we're not asking you for money besides besides if you ordered bikes or parts. And we also will make in an article which is our IBAN number in order in case of weird emails you get and there's a weird IBAN number, just be aware there are scammers on the internet and they are wasting our time and your time. Have fun. See you next time. Bye bye.